Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. In this guide, we will review the most common greetings and goodbyes in everyday Spanish. One of the most essential words in any language is hello. In Spanish, the go-to word for hello is hola. You can use it in the morning, at night, with friends, and even with strangers. It always works. Go ahead and say it with me. Hola. Hello. Hola. Now, one thing you will notice right away in Spanish is that there are two ways to speak to someone: formally and informally or casually. Think of it like the difference between saying, "Hey, what's up?" to a friend of yours versus saying this to your boss. "Good afternoon, sir." Spanish actually builds this distinction into the language itself by using the conjugation for tú for informal sentences and the conjugation for él or ella for formal sentences. Here are a few formal and informal sentences. First, we have an informal question. Pay special attention to the conjugation ending of the verb querer, which means to want. Here's the informal sentence. ¿Quieres algo más? Do you want anything else? Using an informal or casual tone. ¿Quieres algo más? And next, we have the formal question. Pay special attention to the conjugation ending of the verb querer and notice how it changes compared to the previous example. Here's the formal sentence. ¿Quiere algo más, señor? Do you want anything else, sir? Using a formal tone. ¿Quiere algo más, señor? Here are both verbs one more time. First, the informal version. ¿Quieres? Do you want? Informal. ¿Quieres? And now the formal version. ¿Quiere? Do you want? Formal. ¿Quiere? And here are a few additional examples. First, the informal version, followed by the formal version. Here's the first one. ¿Necesitas ayuda? Do you need help? Informal. ¿Necesitas ayuda? ¿Necesita ayuda, señor? Do you need help, sir? Formal. ¿Necesita ayuda, señor? Here's the next one. ¿Buscas algo en particular? Are you looking for something in particular? Informal. ¿Buscas algo en particular? ¿Busca algo en particular, señora? Are you looking for something in particular, ma'am? Using a formal tone. ¿Busca algo en particular, señora? Now, just like in English, Spanish has greetings that change depending on the time of the day. These are slightly more formal than just saying hello, but they are used all the time in everyday life, including in shops, offices, and on the street. The first greeting in this section can be used from the time you wake up until around noon. Here it is. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. The next greeting is used from noon until the sun goes down. Say it with me. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. The next one can be used both as a greeting when you arrive somewhere in the evening and as a farewell when you're heading to bed. Let's say it together. Buenas noches. Good evening or good night. Buenas noches. A handy shortcut you will hear a lot in casual Spanish is simply saying buenas on its own. It is an informal way of saying buenos días, buenas tardes, or buenas noches to make things easier without worrying about the time of the day. Okay, so you've said hello, and that's great, but what comes next? In most conversations, right after greeting someone comes the classic, "How are you?" Here are a few options you can use in Spanish. This is the informal version. You can use it with friends, family, or anyone your own age. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Next, we have the formal version. You can use it with people you've just met, older people, or in a professional setting. Here it goes. ¿Cómo está usted? How are you doing, sir or ma'am? ¿Cómo está usted? Next, we have a super casual and popular way to greet someone. In Spanish, the equivalent of "what's up" or "how is it going" is ¿qué tal? What's up? ¿Qué tal? As a quick note, the question ¿qué tal? Is a short version of ¿qué tal estás?, which translates as "how are you doing?" or "how are you?" And how do you respond? Here are a few easy answers you can use. Bien, gracias. Fine, thank you. Bien, gracias. Muy bien. Very well. Muy bien. Más o menos. So. It literally translates as more or less. Más o menos. Todo bien. All good. Todo bien. Now, let's talk about farewells, because leaving a conversation well is just as important as starting one. The most common way to say goodbye in Spanish is adiós. Goodbye. Adiós. But Spanish has some really warm and friendly alternatives that you'll want to add to your toolkit. Here are some of the most common ones. Hasta luego. See you later. Hasta luego. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Nos vemos. See you around. Nos vemos. And chao. It's similar to the Italian word ciao, and it's widely used across Latin America as a casual goodbye. Ciao. We have learned the most common greetings and goodbyes in Spanish. If you want to learn Spanish faster, click the video on your screen right now, where you can learn over 100 common Spanish sentences you can use in everyday life. Go ahead and click on the video so you can continue learning Spanish.